This used to be a factory, right?
I'm not even sure.
This used to be a factory before.
Really?
Yeah. That's what I read. That's why you got old pieces of equipment. And we're gonna go eat. What?
I mean, that one. I'm not really good at pronouncing it.
You're getting the hakata classic.
One game's really good.
I'll get the hakata tonkotsu classic.
You're the classic? Classic as well? And then you need to look at it? Or do you want me to take it?
What did you request?
The pork belly to be crispy.
The pork belly to be crispy. Okay. So I guess we're eating pork belly?
It's pork broth and it has soft boiled eggs.
So I'm eating belly.
Yep. It's basically like bacon. Like fresh bacon.
So I'm about to eat with my daughter, my beautiful grandchild, and I'm about to pay $15 for a soup. That's what happens when you have a daughter. $15 in Jersey, and this is what you get at a Portuguese barbecue. Look at that, so delicious. What? What the f? Oh, and this.
That's gyoza, they're dumplings.
And the dumplings are not complimentary, am I correct? How much are the dumplings?
Oh no.
I'll keep you posted. $15? Keep it. Are the dumplings better with the sauce? I gotta be honest, I'm really not impressed with the dumplings so far. So far, this gets 6 out of 10. If it's like $10, I'll drop it down to like 5 out of 10. There's no Portuguese restaurant that you know of in Atlanta? Need to open a Portuguese restaurant. Portuguese food is better. Make good money on this here.
Yeah, that's why I used to love working here. Like 1 week I used to make $700. I used to get paid weekly. And it used to be direct deposit into my cash app. And I used to get like, no, I actually used to use my time, so that would get 2 days ahead.
$700 after taxes. Thank you. So, 2 soups. Huh? Dumplings? Dumplings? And 2 drinks. I thought it was gonna be like real, not canned. Anywho, soups and dumplings or dipplings, whatever. $45, not including the tip. So I don't know. Gotta talk to my boy Biden because this inflation thing is not working out for me too well. What do you think? $50 is worth it for this?
Já era antes do Covid e essas coisas, sim, já era assim, aqui. Aqui o preço já era assim.
So Julene, what do you think of this?
$15 ramen spoon.
$15 for a soup. For the good old memories. I kept the spoon. Is this what they call it? Spoon?
I think so. I don't even know. I have no clue.